Hello friends, welcome back to Superlight Foods. Today I am here to share mixed pulow rice recipe. It's very easy to make and it contains low budget, even though we can make it for our Eid lunch. So let's get started. In a pan, add 50 gram oil. Let the oil get heated, then add cinnamon sticks, cloves, cardamom and let it fry for a while. Then add 3 onions and mix well. Let the onions cook for a while, then add 2 teaspoons of salt and mix well. Then add 3 chopped green chilies and mix well. Now add 4 big chopped tomatoes and mix well. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and mix well. Now add some cut sausages, some chicken pieces, some liver pieces and mix well. Let it be cooked for a while. Let it be cooked for 10 to 15 minutes. Check whether it's being cooked or not. Now add 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and mix well. Now add 100 grams of chickpeas and 50 grams of green peas and mix well. Then add water as needed and cook for a while. Now add this pulow mixture to a hot rice cooker. Then add some soya meat, some potato cubes, some carrot cubes, some green beans and mix the mixture well. Then add 2.5 teaspoons of biryani masala and mix well. And then add 2.5 teaspoons of salt and mix for a while. Now add the bay leaves and cook for a while. Now add 1 kg washed rice, coconut milk as per taste and 1 liter of water and mix well. Now let it be cooked for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, check whether the rice is being cooked. Then add grated carrot for decoration. It's optional. Enjoy your mixed pulow rice in this special day with your family. Eid Mubarak! For like this easy, simple and interesting recipes, like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell button as well. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.